Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gingerbread house is probably one of the most convenient and enjoyable ways to experience the magic of the holiday season without the hassle of baking and assembling a house from scratch. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect pre-assembled gingerbread house, ensuring a delightful and stress-free holiday baking experience, focusing on factors such as size, decoration options, and overall quality. Number 5. LEGO Creator Gingerbread House 10267. Gather the family for a fun and memorable building experience. This delightful LEGO gingerbread house is perfect for creating festive holiday memories. It features frosted roofs, colorful candy buttons, candy cane columns, glittery windows, and a chimney with a glowing fire. Every detail is charming. Meet the gingerbread family, a man, woman, and baby. They're joined by candy furniture, a baby carriage, and other holiday surprises. Discover a snow blower, holiday tree, gifts, rocking horse, and toy train. It's a whole holiday village in one set. This is a fun building challenge perfect for ages 16 and up. But the whole family will love the final result. Once built, it stands over 8 inches high, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It will be a stunning centerpiece. What we like? It boasts over 1,400 pieces, providing hours of family fun and creating lasting memories. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding build with intricate details, this is the perfect choice. This gingerbread house is ideal for families who enjoy collaborative building projects and creating a unique holiday centerpiece. What people say. The house has 2 stories. The first floor has a kitchen and living room. The second floor has a bathroom, with toilet, and a bedroom with a bed and a crib. What makes all LEGO kits supremely wonderful is that if you get tired of looking at them or playing with them, you can take them apart and store them easily. And, of course, you can repurpose any of the parts to any original project you want since everything in LEGO is compatible, even from the older kits, like 50 years old and more. Great quality, all pieces included, and great family fun to have something to do together for the holiday. Number 4. Wilton Mini Village Gingerbread Kit. Gather the family for an afternoon of sweet creation and decorating fun. It's the perfect way to bond and create lasting memories together. This kit has everything you need to build and decorate 4 adorable gingerbread houses. No extra shopping required. With this kit, you'll build 4 delightful gingerbread houses, each measuring between 3.25 and 4 inches high. They're the perfect size for decorating and display. It includes 4 sets of gingerbread house panels, 3 types of candy, green fondant, red and white icing, decorating bags, tips, and instructions. Everything you need is right here. Unleash your creativity and decorate your houses with the included candies and icing. Let your imagination run wild. It contains wheat and is made on equipment that processes egg, milk, soy, and tree nuts. Please check ingredients if you have allergies. What we like? This kit includes everything you need to build and decorate 4 adorable mini gingerbread houses. If you're looking for a quick and easy decorating activity, this is perfect for you. It's great for families with younger children or those who prefer a less intensive crafting experience. What people say. The houses were smaller and they were easier for my kids to decorate and not get overwhelmed. This collection of small gingerbread houses are seriously cute and were so much fun to assemble and decorate with my child. We put them on a large white platter and added a small Lemax Christmas tree and other figurines to create a little village. Decorated these during a virtual cookie party. These turned out cute and were fun to do. Number 3. RAZ Imports Gingerbread House. It stands 13.5 inches tall, making it perfect for mantels, tables, entryways, or shelves. This piece complements Christmas villages, candy themes, winter wonderlands, and traditional holiday styles. It's incredibly adaptable. It boasts intricate faux icing, candy accents, and colorful decorations, creating a festive centerpiece. It makes a unique and festive gift for holiday lovers, collectors, families, or anyone wanting whimsical Christmas charm. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last through many holiday seasons, parties, or collections. This holiday season, bring home the charm and wonder of this gingerbread house. It's sure to be a cherished addition to your holiday decor. What we like? Standing at 13.5 inches tall, it makes a stunning statement piece for any holiday display. If you want a large, eye-catching centerpiece that will impress your guests, then this is the one for you. Its durable construction ensures it will be a cherished part of your holiday decor for years to come. What people say. The dimensions are exactly what the vendor mentioned. The artistic ability of the person who created this item has a wonderful imagination for creating a gingerbread house. Colors, size of make-believe candy, windows, etc. It's beautiful and well crafted. It is made very well and the colors are bright and beautiful. It is perfect for our whimsical decor. It is large but not too large. Number 2. Candy Cottage Gingerbread House. Get ready for endless fun and creativity with this amazing gingerbread house. It's washable and reusable, so the fun never has to end. Say goodbye to single-use gingerbread houses. This one is washable and reusable, making it perfect for multiple holiday seasons. It snaps together in seconds, so you can spend less time building and more time decorating and enjoying. Personalize it with your favorite candies and icing. Let your imagination run wild and create a unique masterpiece. Make memories that will last a lifetime with this fun and interactive gingerbread house. It's the perfect activity for families and friends. This holiday season, give the gift of creativity and fun with the Candy Cottage. It's a unique and memorable experience for everyone. What we like. It's washable and reusable, allowing for multiple years of holiday fun and creativity. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective option, this is a great choice. It snaps together in seconds, making it perfect for those who want a quick and easy setup. What people say. It was perfect. Easy to assemble and decorate. It was a little larger than I anticipated, but my kids loved decorating it. This is our third one of these. It has become a beloved tradition with my girls. We buy a can of white frosting and paint the whole thing with it. We lay out the sprinkles and candies, crackers and cereal squares etc. and let our imaginations run wild decorating. It looks for all the world like the real deal when it's done. Nobody knows. At the end of the season you simply scrape the stuff off, it releases surprisingly well. We wash it and pack it away for next year. I have to build the house for them but it snaps together easily and it stays together while they use icing and candies to decorate. Cleanup is easy. The kids pick off any candies that they want to keep and put them into a container and I put the house into the kitchen sink and run hot water on it. Once the joints are cleared of icing, I take the pieces apart and scrub with a brush and soap and water. I let the house pieces air dry then pop them back into the box for storage. Number 1. Adler Gingerbread House. Get ready for the holidays with this charming gingerbread house. It's the perfect addition to your Christmas decor, bringing festive cheer to your home. At 12 inches tall, it makes a delightful statement piece. Its size is perfect for mantels, tables, or shelves. This charming house comes pre-lit with a warm, inviting glow. Simply plug it in and enjoy the magical ambience. It boasts beautiful detailing, capturing the essence of a classic gingerbread house. You'll love its sweet and charming design. This delightful piece is sure to bring joy and holiday spirit to any room. It's a fun and festive addition to your holiday decor. Safety is important to us. It features a UL-listed cord, ensuring peace of mind during the holiday season. What we like. Measuring 12 inches and pre-lit with a warm light, it adds a magical glow to your holiday decor. If you love the charm of a traditional gingerbread house with a touch of festive illumination, this is the perfect option. It's a simple yet elegant addition to any holiday setting. What people say. This is well made. The details are so good. It looks real. Love that it has an electric cord, so I don't have to put batteries in it. I love the details on this gingerbread house, from the half peppermints lining the roof to the cute little snowman and swirly forward tree with a candy-lined pathway in the front to the candy cane window frames all around. Love how the light shines out from all sides. This is a wonderfully detailed gingerbread house. Looks so nice on my kitchen counter. During the day there is plenty of sparkle and at night you can turn on the light so it stands out. Mine arrived in perfect condition with no damage. It was very well packaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.